man, if you were hanging out in Caribou today, you would probably feel like you were in Cancun.
Yeah, pretty warm today. I mean, look, anywhere in Maine, 85 is warm any time of the year.
Correct.
Right? I mean, basically, it doesn't even matter what season, but certainly in May, in northern Maine, that is.
Unheard of puts a stat on it. So, but
yes.
It's very rare.
Yeah, well, it is a record high for the day, so it hasn't happened on this particular day this warm before. 85 is what we got to, 80 in Greenville. The game today, as I noted earlier, was how far can you get from the ocean? So the farther away you were from the ocean, the warmer it was, within reason. You can see Berlin, New Hampshire, some of our spots that I think of as our coldest spots in the state a lot of times, right, were the warmest today. Meanwhile, along the coastline, 60s or so, 70 in Wiscasset. Had a lot of sunshine statewide, so it was a nice day regardless of how warm or how hot it was. We did see a ton of sun, just a few high thin clouds there over York and Cumberland County, but even that, we're going to close out the day on a really positive note. Things will change over the next 24 hours or even less than that, really. We start to see more clouds and a chance for showers on Thursday and Friday. That being said, it's really disorganized, and a lot of us will be able to get through the next 2 days without any rain, so we'll kind of walk you through that. Tonight, that onshore flow looks to create, at least according to the small scale models, some periods of fog along the coastline with temperatures around 50. The rest of us will be partly cloudy to mostly clear. And then tomorrow morning, we start with clouds and fog along the coast. The farther you get from the coast, though, once again, a nicer day, a warmer day with temperatures in the 70s, even some 80s again into Aroostook County with an isolated shower. Best chance there will be from the mid-coast southwest and into New Hampshire. That's where we have a shower chance. But again, look at it spatially. A lot of the state does remain dry tomorrow despite more cloud cover. We kind of do the same thing on Friday. A lot of clouds along the coastline, especially initially. Might be able to burn some of those off across the interior and the foothills and mountains Friday afternoon, popping into the 70s with a pop-up shower or storm. But there's not a lot of rain to be had here. Gets a little bit more consistent, the rain activity, as we head into Saturday afternoon. So we start Saturday morning, more clouds, not that much rain, just some scattered showers. Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, it is raining at a reasonable clip. And then we move this system out, and Sunday midday looks okay with just an isolated shower Sunday afternoon. So Thursday and Friday total, there's very little rainfall here. You can see a lot of zeros, a lot of 0.1s. You get Saturday afternoon involved in that, and now that's where we have a ½ inch to an inch of rain. So that's really where the chunk of rain comes from, right here. Again, a decent Sunday. The weekend's hard to play. It's not great, but it's not a washout either. Scattered showers on Monday and Tuesday. And there is a computer model back and forth debate going on what next week looks like. Is it going to be cloudy and showery, or is it going to be cool and sunny? And so that part we still have to kind of nail down. We played it pessimistic right now because I'd rather change it to nice than go the other way when possible. So we'll keep an eye on that. That pattern whoever wins that battle is going to set the tone for next week and potentially into Memorial Day weekend as well.
That's a long way out.
Yeah, it's not as much as it seems anymore. It's basically not this weekend, but next weekend.
Wow.
Yeah, it's an early one this year. Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Keith.